Previously on Forgotten Gear Restoration. All right, Frank, I was able to tweak your Princeton Reverb for more headroom. Very pleased with the results. So for the rest of you goons out there, what I ended up doing was increasing plate voltage across the preamp, and that allowed me to elevate the headroom without any ill effects. It just sounds great. So I think for your needs and wants, this is going to be it, man. So have a listen. Sounds nice. Sounds really nice. That's my Strat there. A little single coil noise. Sounds like a little mini twin compared to where it was before. So hope you enjoy. That's halfway up about. You know, she was distorting by this point. You still have some miles left on your speaker, so no worries on that. It's a lovely amp. Dig it. Have yourself a nice Friday night.